Another day, another story. Paris, often referred to as the City of Love, is a captivating and enchanting metropolis that stands as one of the world's most iconic and beloved destinations. Located in the north-central part of France, along the banks of the River Seine, Paris is renowned for its romantic ambiance, rich history, artistic heritage, and exquisite culinary offerings. With its stunning architecture, world-famous landmarks, and a vibrant cultural scene, Paris has consistently held a special place in the hearts of travelers from around the globe. Key highlights of Paris. Romantic ambiance. Paris has earned its nickname, the City of Love, for good reason. The city's charming streets, cozy cafes, and the gentle glow of the Eiffel Tower at night create an incredibly romantic atmosphere that has inspired countless love stories and proposals. Iconic landmarks. Paris boasts an array of iconic landmarks that are synonymous with the city's identity. The Eiffel Tower, with its intricate iron lattice design, is perhaps the most recognized symbol of Paris. The Louvre Museum, home to thousands of art treasures, including the Mona Lisa, is another must-visit attraction. The historic Notre Dame Cathedral, with its stunning Gothic architecture, is also a testament to the city's architectural grandeur. Art and culture. Paris is a haven for art enthusiasts and culture aficionados. The city has been a hub for creative minds throughout history, and its museums, galleries, and theaters reflect this legacy. The Louvre, Musée d'Orsay, and Centre Pompidou are just a few of the world-class institutions that showcase an extensive collection of art, spanning from classical to contemporary. World-class cuisine. Parisian cuisine is celebrated globally for its exquisite flavors and culinary traditions. From croissants and escargots to coq au vin and macarons, the city's diverse gastronomy offers something for every palate. Dining in Paris can range from Michelin-starred restaurants to charming bistros, making it a paradise for food lovers. Fashion and shopping. Paris is a fashion capital, home to some of the most prestigious fashion houses and boutiques in the world. The city's streets are a catwalk for haute couture, and shopping districts like the Champs-Élysées and Le Marais offer endless opportunities for retail therapy. Historical significance. Paris is steeped in history, and its streets are a tapestry of different eras. From the medieval architecture of Le Marais to the grandeur of the Palace of Versailles on its outskirts, the city's historical significance is ever present. Green spaces. Despite its urban hustle and bustle, Paris is also a city of parks and gardens. The Luxembourg Gardens and Parc des Buttes-Chaumont provide peaceful oases where visitors can relax and escape the city's fast pace. In conclusion, Paris, France, is a city that combines timeless romance, artistic brilliance, and culinary excellence in a way that few places in the world can match. Whether you're strolling along the Seine, admiring world-famous art, or savoring a croissant in a quaint café, Paris offers an unforgettable experience that continues to captivate and inspire travelers from all walks of life. Thanks for watching.